Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review DAOUTIME laundry room shelves. The DAOUTIME laundry room shelves are a versatile and stylish solution for maximizing storage in small or large laundry spaces. Priced at $43, this set includes two wooden wall shelves equipped with clothes drying rods, a row of hooks, and two hanging metal baskets. With this setup, you can hang clothes, organize laundry supplies, and keep your space neat, all while making full use of the wall area above your washer and dryer. Crafted from high-quality wood, these shelves are both durable and visually appealing. The metal wire brackets are coated with a rust-resistant layer, preventing corrosion and paint peeling, ensuring longevity even in humid laundry rooms. These shelves offers a personalized DIY installation option, allowing you to decide the arrangement of shelves, baskets, and hooks based on your preferences and available space. This flexibility makes them suitable for compact laundry areas, spacious rooms, or even narrow staircases. The modern wall-mounted design is not limited to dry rooms. These shelves can also be installed in living rooms, bathrooms, kitchens, or bedrooms, providing an elegant solution to display photo frames, collectibles, vases, books, or to organize everyday items. Assembly is straightforward, with all necessary parts included and detailed instructions provided. The metal screw holes on the support frames make installation easier, and once mounted, the shelves create a clean and trendy space instantly. Customer reviews on Amazon highlight the practical and sturdiness of these shelves. Users report that the shelves are perfect for small laundry rooms, allowing them to store heavy items like jeans, jackets, and large 194 fluid once detergent bottles without any issues. Many appreciate the metal thread inserts in the broad, which enhancing durability compared to standard screws. The baskets are also highly praised for holding towels and other laundry materials, keeping the area organized and accessible. Some noted that pre-drilling a 1 per 4-inch hole is needed for the wall anchors. But once installed, the shelves are solid and reliable. Overall, customers found that their laundry rooms became more organized, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. The DAOUTIME laundry room shelves combine style, durability, and versatility. With their sturdy constructions, flexible DIY setup, and ample storage options, they are an excellent choice for anyone looking to optimize space, organize laundry essentials, and enhance the overall look for their room. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.